Hi guys, my name is Rachel Beth and I am back with a new series. So it is a beginner crochet series. So I'm going to be teaching you how to start off your chain, how to do chain stitch and a double crochet. So I'm using the UK version, so just bear that in mind that it's not the US version, so it will be a little different. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Bye! So to start off, we're going to be using a 4mm crochet hook. So if you haven't bought a hook already, this is the size I recommend because it works best with most standard yarns. And then I just have a normal acrylic wool. So to start off, you're going to do a slip knot. So to do this, I wrap it around my index finger with the tail end, so the short one, behind. And then I bring the long end behind the loop and pinch it and then hold on to the tail end and pull. So to show that again, you're going to wrap it around your index with the tail end down below, but the long one behind, pinch it and pull the tail. So once you've done that, you're going to put your hook through the loop and pull that tight. And then to hold it, you're going to pinch with your middle finger and your thumb the tail end just before the knot, so the short one, and then you're going to bring the long one behind your index and wrap it around your pinky. So wrapping it behind your pinky controls your tension. And then you're going to stick out your index finger so you have the wool going here. So when you're holding it, you should be able to kind of do this and wiggle it without this hand. So to do your chain stitch, you're going to put your hook around the wool and then you're going to twist your hook so it's facing the knot here. So if you don't face the knot, it won't go over and you'll just end up losing your stitch. When you face the knot, it'll just slip right through. So that is your chain stitch. So you just wrap it around, twist your hook so it faces the loop, and pull through. So you're just going to keep doing that until you are happy with your length. Once you're happy with that length, you're going to turn. So to turn, I'm just going to do a double crochet. So again, this is the UK version, not the American version. So in the American version, it would be your single crochet, but I'm going to call it double crochet. You're going to skip the first chain. So how you tell the chains is you can see these V's going along. Each V is a chain. So you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 chains. So I'm going to skip the first V and go into the top part of the second one. So it's going to push it through, and then again I'm going to wrap the wool around and pull through it once, wrap around and pull through again, and that is your double crochet. So then you're going to go into the next V, again the top stitch, wrap around and pull through, and then wrap around and pull through again. So remember, every time you wrap the wool around, you're going to want to make sure that your hook is facing this knot that you're holding on to. So you're going to do that right up to the very end, and then I will show you how to turn and do your next row. So the first row is always a little bit different than all the rest, but after your second row, it's all the same. Also, I'm sorry if my camera goes in and out of focus. I've just got a new camera and I'm not quite used to the settings yet. So bear with me and I apologize. So once you reach the end of your row, you're going to chain 1 and then you're going to flip your work around to turn. So then that's the one that we just chained, so we're going to skip that, and you can see you've still got your V's along here, but for all the rest of the rows you're going to go into both of the loops. So you see you've got 1 and 2. So I'll show you again. So you can see the little hole just under the V, so you're going to go in there And then it's the same thing, you wrap it around and pull through that one, and wrap it around and pull through the two. So we'll do it again. So we're going to go through the hole under the two V's. I'm going to wrap it around and pull through, then wrap it around and pull through again. So it's the same for all the rows after this. So when you got to the end of the row, you just chain one and then turn. So after you do each stitch, you should be left with just one loop on your hook. So you see you just got the one. And go through your last one. Oh, didn't go through that one properly. Oopsie. And then when you reach the end, it's just the same thing again. You chain one and turn. And it's the same as we just did. So that is your double crochet. So you can see it looks quite nice. And that is the other side then as well. So if you want to cast off, what you're going to do is you're going to cut your string. So I usually break up my hands, but I'll use the scissors today. Then you're just going to wrap your wall around your hook and pull it through as if you were doing a stitch. But you're going to pull it all the way through, and then you pull tight, and that is it done. Ignore my extra chain. So yeah, that is how you do a chain stitch, how to hold the hook, and a double crochet in UK terms. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do have any recommendations on what stitch you'd like to learn, if you'd like me to do the other stitches, the magic circle, anything like that, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!